Yeah, hello guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel at Anto254. Yeah guys, it has been long since I did the last video, but finally today got an opportunity to do another video. Since I told you back then I had a problem with my camera, but today the Lord has been merciful and I've been able to get a good camera. Yeah, we glorify the name of the Lord, for He has given us this day for free. Nothing we have paid Him. And today we are here with Stano One at Kitengela. I'm still in Kitengela. So today we wanted to show you how Kitengela Mosque, Hindu temple, looks like. Actually, it's a temple, not a mosque. And as you can see,
But I think your camera can turn.
yeah, as you can see, the place is big and it's thoroughly constructed, and yeah, you can tell them.
It's written Kitengela Hindu Temple. Temple is where mostly the Hindus, yeah, they worship in a temple. You know, each and every religion. We have got many religions. Like we have got the Christianity, we have got the where we have the Christians, we have got the Muslims, we have got the Hindus. So like they all fellowship in different places. Like for Christians, they worship
In
in the
church,
churches, and the Muslims they worship in the mosque.
mosque,
Now the Hindus they worship in a temple.
temple.
Actually, here we have got one here in
Let me
Kitengela. Guys, hope you are watching this video and you are enjoying. I know this is my first time this is the first time my face is appearing in this
YouTube
particular
channel.
video or this YouTube channel. I know it's Anto254 channel, and today is on Tuesday.
Tuesday.
Yeah? My first time to appear on this camera, and I know and I'm willing to appear more and more. Kindly, if you are discovering this channel for the first time, consider by subscribing to the YouTube channel, like the video, share, and comment what you think on that comment section, because we will be showing you a lot of things which are here in Kitengela, and when we are back also in the village, we are going to show you a lot of things. Also, when you have not checked me out, kindly check me out at my YouTube channel, which is Stano One. Yeah, he is going to put the link in the description so that you find me out easily. Kindly consider us by subscribing. Yeah, that's the support we need from you. We are not forcing anyone, but we are just requesting. Yeah, stay tuned, stay connected, and keep watching the video. We are going to show you more, and video continues. Thank you very much.
Actually, we are heading to the other side of Kitengela. I don't know how it's called.
Yeah.
The other side, past the bridge.
Find out as
The
the
name.
time goes by. Yeah.
Yeah, actually, stay tuned, be connected, and we are going to show you more. Until next time, peace. Yeah, guys, in my videos, I've been telling you that this place, this area, this particular area receives little rainfall, and as you can see, uh, this one is here is a bridge. Then the river dried. Yeah, this is the main channel, and now as you can see, it has very little water in it, and this is the place we were talking about. Uh, as you can see, the area has a very large tract of land which are unplanted, and
What is this?
this one.
I can't understand.
This one is, I guess, it's a boundary.
No, not
Mm-hmm.
this fence. But what's happening here? Like you can see, we are having a bridge here.
Yeah,
Then
the water dried up.
water dried up, and at that particular
At that
point,
point,
you
there
can
is
see
water.
there is a certain water which has there is a
Stagnant.
yeah,
It's
stagnant
stagnant.
water there.
Yeah, as you can see, this other side, there is no water at all. And here, there was also a channel. And as you can see, there is no water. Meaning this place, it's rarely receive rainfall. And it has been long since it rained the very last time. Yeah.
You mean the rivers here are now seasonal rivers? They only show up when there is a lot of rainfall, and they become dry. Like the water just vanish, or what do we call it? The water does what? Disappears during dry
Disappearing
season.
rivers
Yeah, they
in
are
geography.
no disappearing rivers. We have got
Like that one, it's a disappearing rivers.
yeah. You are going to find that it has some water now appearing down when you continue going, isn't it?
Yes.
Yeah, for the disappearing rivers, the water is there, but when you reach some particular points, it
It's
disappears.
dried.
Yeah, it disappears underground to mean that it takes the underground path. Then for seasonal rivers, they completely dry up.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, as you can see, this area is having a very large tracts of land which are unplanted, unconstructed. There is no construction going on, and there are so many which
Yes.
yeah, there are so many acacia tree.
Actually, this one is a woodland. I can call it savanna. Yeah?
Savanna,
Savanna woodland, because mostly we have got
acacia,
yeah, we have got acacia tree, and there
baobab. Yeah,
well,
as you can see, these are wild type of mouse rats. Hey, is it
that
visible?
one is a rat.
Yeah,
Zoom. Can you get near them, or they are going to?
they are
No, they
going
are
to
already
run.
scared and they are running away.
Yeah, as you can see, they are wild rats. This is so
Yeah,
amazing.
guys, these ones are wild rats. You can see they are just, I can't get near them because I want to capture
They'll be
them, and when I
scared.
get near them, they are going to be scared and run away, like they have already disappeared now. Oh,
Yeah,
I can see the gazelles.
even
Can you see the gazelle?
yeah, they are there.
Let me zoom so that you see the gazelle. I don't know if they are the gazelle or the antelope, but they are
Hey,
in there and we can't get in here. It can be somehow dangerous. But trust me, we have got gazelles there. They are just grazing.
grazing alone.
Yeah,
There are three of them. Yeah, guys, and if you want to buy some plots of land, as you can see there,
yeah. In
let me
Africa,
get close.
Anton, you know what I'm wondering of? Worried of here in Africa, when we just see the when we see the animals,
Uh,
what comes into our brain first?
they are food.
They are food automatically.
Food.
Yeah, they are. We only think of consuming them. Yeah,
Yes,
like
that's
now
true.
I've seen the gazelles. What is coming to my mind is just spear and arrow and a bow. Yeah, they should be
Ah,
turned into some hunting.
meat.
But nowadays, hunting is discouraged, guys. It is really, really discouraged, and it is a crime. Yeah. Stay tuned, stay connected. We are heading to another place.
Yeah, actually, this place here, as you can see, they slaughter pigs. Yeah, they slaughter. As you can see, they have at
Pig
the gate
butchery.
there. It's written
Quality
King
meat.
quality meat.
A meat
A
bite
meat
for
bite for
everyone.
everyone. Yes, you can see this where they slaughter pigs
Yeah,
and
they are
sell the
learned to the knife.
yeah, and they sell the meat
Yeah,
for
I think they are making a
commercial.
good profit.
Yeah, people tend to love me
Pork.
pork so much. Yeah, guys, as is the it's a farm where the pigs, poultry are reared. Yeah, actually the pigs that they do slaughter there are reared in this place. They don't buy them. And as you can see, today is on a Tuesday. Yeah, this is a school bus. Uh, the students are coming from school, and it's almost 4 already. Yeah, it's almost 4. As you can see, the bus is transporting students from school to their particular homes and back every day. Yeah, stay tuned, guys. And if you are coming across this YouTube channel, consider by subscribing. And my guy here, Stan One, kindly check him out and subscribe to his YouTube. We'll really appreciate you for that, and we'll never take you for granted. We'll keep praying upon you guys, and uh, the Almighty Father will open your ways, and everything will be okay. Actually, in this world, in the current world today, it's nothing but prayers. Prayers matter a lot. Matters a lot. If you don't pray, itakulamba. It will
Will lick you.
it will leak you. So stay tuned. We are catching up in the next scene. Thank you. Yeah, guys,
Taking this
that is where we are from. As you can see,
other path next time.
that is Kitengela. We have GMC there, where kids, it's a playground where kids do enjoy themselves. And as Tanwa said, the next time we'll show you this other side, and today we want to show you this side of the road. Here is a junction, and we are taking this route here. Yeah, stay tuned for more updates, kindly by subscribing to our channels. And if you are new in YouTube or coming across the channels for the first time, kindly consider us by subscribing. Star 1 and Anto 254.
Yeah.
Yeah, thank you very much, and stay tuned for more updates. Yeah, guys, in our village, that is Kitembe village, we have a limited land. And as you can see here, there are large tracts of land, unplanted, unfurrowed, uncontracted. They are just there. But in our village there, you see someone has tomatas. Tomatas as a piece of land. And
Yeah, actually.
he or she is expecting more from that land. You see, that
Yeah,
is why.
actually, what I can say, the land there is useful. That's why it is mostly occupied by human beings, because it is useful, it is reproductive, and it is a productive or it is a productive, not reproductive. Sorry, guys. So you find that they grow sugarcane, that they carry out agricultural things, and they can also carry out building and construction. You see. But here, the land can only be meant for keeping some livestock, which are especially, it is very rare.
Yeah,
And,
only
building and construction.
breeds that can be supported by this area. We have different breeds of animals, and the places where they can survive. So there, as you can see, those ones there are kettles. grazing, though the grass is not as green as such, but they are grazing here. It's like a paddock where someone has fenced.
Can they be able to see where we are from?
Eh?
Can they be able to see where we are from?
Yeah, we are from the other side.
The Hindi temple there.
Yeah, that is where we are from. Actually, guys, this area is so amazing. Despite the fact that it's too hot. It's too hot during the day since
Yeah, we are still with the Anto.
254.
And where we are right now, Anthony, can you explain for them? Where are we right now?
Guys, here we are just close to how do we call it? Yeah, as you can see here, there is a nursery. They tend to uh,
They try to raise some young trees.
young trees under irrigation. As you can see, this place it receives little rainfall, and actually this area has got a dam.
A dam.
Yeah, large one, and I think it's where they got the water from. They get the water from. There is a dam, and it's large one. That what fenced, eh? See there, and you can see rocks. Rocks are here.
Huge and small sized and large sized rocks. Yeah.
Yeah, that is the dam I was talking about. As you can see, it's a very big one, and it is fenced for security. Do we call it security purposes?
Security purposes, yeah. You know, it can be dangerous for children and also from contamination. You know, when many people have access to it, when many people have access to this particular dam,
Yes, they water animals.
yeah, they can
They
directly water
do
their
what?
clothes, wash their clothes,
And
do all kind of nasty things which will make this
water
water.
contaminated.
Yeah, these are dams as you can see. I fear getting inside. I might be arrested, guys.
Yes,
I might be arrested at this particular point.
yeah,
You can see the way it is very, 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 very nice.
yeah, and it's clean, eh?
Yeah, it's looking nice. It's clean. The water there is very, 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 very clean.
And I guess its water is the one supplying this area. As you can see, they are installing pipes, underground pipes that they used to pump water for let's say irrigation and other things. They pump them through these pipes and transport them. Yeah,
Yeah,
pipe transport.
yeah.
Yeah, this is amazing.
Yeah, stay tuned, stay connected, guys. We are meeting again in another. These are dam, and you have seen it. It's a very, very, very nice water reservoir. Water reservoir.
Actually, this is the place we are from. This is the road we have just used now, and now we are going this side. Yes, and as you can see here, people do enjoy life by. Yeah, you can finish. Yeah? Yeah, this is the other part of the river we are talking about, and as you can see, in this particular point, it's dry, completely dry. There is nothing here. There is no trace of water, and guys, I don't know how this rivers tend to to flow, because there is another one here.
You are failing to understand.
Yes, I don't
But you can
understand.
see this around this place, it is a flat area. It is a plain.
Oh, it's a plane, and you can
So
see.
we can have as many channels as we can imagine.
Yeah, this one
Just look at this one.
has little water in it, almost drying up, and they are dumping things here. You see? Yeah, guys, stay tuned. We are going to catch up in the next scene. And if you are coming across this YouTube channel for the first time, kindly consider by subscribing to our channels, channel 1 and 2254, and we'll appreciate you for that. Thank you very much, and we are catching up in the next scene. Bye bye.
Hello.
Yeah, guys, the journey has been tiresome, so we are taking some rest. Just around the
Quarrying site.
quarrying site, yeah. In this area, they mine quarry, and I'm going to show you how they are here in plenty. Yeah, I'm just going to show you right now. Yeah, actually, as you can see, there are so many business activities taking place in this area. As you can see, they sell sand, they sell bricks, they sell uh, like building materials. They do sell them in this particular place, and they are yeah, actually they get customers. They are being bought here, and as you can see, these are the materials I'm talking about. They are just selling it next to the road for more customers, since this place is open, and the many customers can access to it. And actually, the materials here are being bought in large amount. Yeah, as you can, I'm sure the the people that do sell here are different people. Yes, you can find that this one is someone's side, this one, and so on. So it's not for a particular person or a specific person, but it's for many people doing this business. Yeah, yeah, guys, as you can see, students are from school. They are now heading home. These are the scholars. They go school morning, and they go back home in the evening. Actually, you can see that side here. It's so amazing. This area is so amazing. Yeah, I just want to go back and show you the quarry which I was telling you about. Yeah, just near here. Actually, guys, what I've come to realize is that in this particular area, kettles do graze alone. They are not being taken to graze, or uh, they are not being watered. They graze, they search water, and they go back home in the evening. They cannot get lost. As you see, these ones, they are alone there. They're just alone. Yeah, those who are coming across this YouTube channel for the first time, kindly consider by subscribing to my YouTube channel. And those who have been supporting me, encouraging me, kindly, I'm praying for you guys. I'm praying upon you, and God will open your ways, and everything will be okay. Not long. Everything will be okay soon, and life will be just be normal. Yeah. So there's the quarry I was talking about. Yes, a quarrying site. It has huge heap of uh, aggregates. It's an huge heap of aggregates, and they are selling it for money. Yeah, as you can see there, that's a very huge of aggregate, and these people do sell it for money. Yes, they earn a lot from it. From this, we tend to business like there are those who have uh, how do we call those trucks?
Huh?
Hizo lori za kubeba mchanga.
Yeah, trucks. Actually, trucks for
Yes.
carrying these things.
Yeah, you can see this all over this place. Stop.
Yeah.
Summarize.
Yeah, guys, thank you very much for watching this video. And we are much thankful for those who have been watching the video throughout. Thank you very much. Hope you have seen whatever we have shown you this particular day. Yeah, we are just tired and we want to head home. And we are going to end this particular video at this particular point. May God bless you abundantly wherever you are. We love you so much. Mwah. Bye bye till next time.
Yeah, guys, thank you so much to our subscribers. We are not taking you for granted. Thank you so much. And those who are coming across these YouTube channels for the first time, that is Stano 1 and 2254, kindly consider by subscribing, and we'll appreciate you for that. So, actually, as Stano said, we are closing this particular video here. We are ending it here, and maybe we'll catch up tomorrow, God willing, and we'll keep showing you new places and various activities that are taking place. Thank you very much to our subscribers, and we'll pray upon you guys. Till next time, peace.